Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to protect the bottom of your car from rust. These Toyota Tundras, this is a 2021, so it's probably okay, but some of the earlier models did have problems with rust underneath, and I lived in the Rust Belt here. So I bought one of these off Amazon. I'll put a link down below. Attached it to my Ryobi pressure washer, which is over there. I'll put a link to where you can buy one of these. This is just a light duty pressure washer. Gets 1600 psi. When you use one of the tips on the end, you get like closer to 1800 in their testing. But again, just a simple pressure washer. It's not going to hurt anything. You can trust it. It's not super powerful, but it's great for car detailing. You basically put it underneath your car, and you blast off all the dirt, and then we will spray some surface shield on the bottom. And we'll see how it does over time, but this should protect it from rust. So let me put you guys on a time lapse while I blast off all this dirt. All right, so now all we gotta do is let this dry out. I went ahead and sprayed the body of the car down too. And then we will try out the surface shield, blaster surface shield, see how long it works. All right guys, everything's all dried out and I've been spraying the frame. Here's what it looks like after you spray it. You can kind of see, you can get it on there evenly, but I was trying to get more in these holes here. Now, I've sprayed similar products on my car before. This is basically, this blaster surface shield is basically a Lanolin-Based rust protectant. And that's what you want to use. You don't want to use the ones that create like a thick tar on the bottom of your car, because those will just lock in rust. And they make it basically impossible to work on your car. Here's how it kind of sprays out. You kind of see I can sort of more evenly distribute it. I've actually been able to cover majority of my frame already with just this one bottle. I still got a good amount left. So I'd highly recommend this product. Other people have reviewed it and basically said this is the best thing to spray on the bottom of your car. That's why I'm using it. I'll let you guys know how long it lasts for. I'm guessing I'll probably reapply this. I have another bottle. I bought 2 of them because it was like a buy one get one free kind of deal at the auto parts store. So I'll do this again next winter. I'll check in with you guys, let you know how it's holding up. But I appreciate you guys watching. I'll put a link to where you can buy this on Amazon. If you got any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll catch y'all next time.